Cedarville's Emergency Medical Services Education Program is a special one-course addition to your major that will prepare you to take the National Registry Exam and get certified to offer pre-hospital emergency care. You can add this course to any major, but it is especially appealing to students already studying in a healthcare program. This course combines fundamental training with hands-on experiences to prepare you for the fast-paced, intense situations an EMT might face. Cedarville partners with the Cedarville Village Fire Department to offer simulation exercises for this course, so you'll get experience with the sorts of situations you may respond to as an EMT. For students who take this course and pass the National Registry Exam to receive their certification, Cedarville offers the opportunity to join CU EMS, an all-student volunteer ambulance service that responds to campus and community medical situations. Consider adding the EMS education program to your major and learn to respond to the real needs of the community around you in times of crisis.